Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and on behalf of Expert Village, we are going to talk now in our 13th clip of creating a money holder, how you can turn any card into a money holder. How often have we remembered someone's birthday at the last minute or forgot someone on our Christmas list and we're kind of in a panic, we think, oh, I got 20 bucks in my pocket. Well, I'm going to show you, if you're anything like me, you might have a box such as this, if you're a card maker, of all the cards that you've made or swapped with people in the past. Or perhaps you have a box of pre-made purchased cards. We are going to show you in these next clips how you can take any card, such as this one. This is just a purchased Christmas card. You can see inside that it's just basic like any other, or any other card you may have laying around. How we're going to add a little bit here and a little bit there to turn this into a simple and easy gift. This one's the wrong way. How are we going to turn this into a simple and easy gift that you can give at the last minute to someone on your list by adding a check, money, a gift card, or things of that nature, making it simple and easy for you, and they will be very pleased.